In today's video, I will walk you through how to add indicators on Bitfinex charts. Indicators are useful tools that can help you analyze price movements and market trends directly from the Bitfinex trading charts. Whether you're following momentum, identifying trends, or looking for potential entry and exit points, adding indicators is quick and easy. To begin, navigate to the trading interface, where the chart for your selected trading pair is displayed. The Bitfinex platform uses an advanced charting interface that includes a wide range of built-in technical analysis tools. Locate the Indicators button on the chart toolbar. It is located at the top of the chart, alongside other charting options. Click the Indicators button to open the list of available technical indicators. You'll see a variety of popular choices, including moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, stochastic oscillator, volume indicators, and many others. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find a specific indicator. This is especially helpful if you already know which indicator you want to use. When you've found the indicator you'd like to add, simply click on its name. The indicator will immediately appear on your chart. Some indicators are displayed directly over the price chart, while others appear in a separate panel below the main chart. Depending on the indicator you've selected, you may also have the option to customize its settings. You can repeat the same process to add additional indicators. Bitfinex allows you to use multiple indicators at the same time, making it easier to compare different types of market analysis on a single chart. After setting up your preferred indicators, they will be displayed alongside your price chart, allowing you to monitor market activity more effectively as you analyze potential trading opportunities. And that's how to add indicators on Bitfinex charts.